talking about how Annabeth used 3 traits to get in the book to get to her success. So the first trait is being brave. So she was brave when she defeated the dog. Like, they all would have died if she wasn't brave. So, because they either would have gotten eaten by that dog, or they would have died in the war, because they wouldn't have been able to stop it fast enough. So the guard dog, so when she defeated it or trained it, she was brave. So if she wasn't brave, they would have died. The second trait is being bossy. This isn't a good trait. But if she wasn't bossy, they pretty much would have died too. Because she really took charge of this mission task. Because she knew it was big, she knew she needed help. So yeah. So without that, they would have died. So the third one is being smart. If she's smart, she did it. When they went into Auntie M's, she knew it was a bad idea. She knew that woman was weird for giving her free food, and she had a bad feeling. She knew to not go back there. She just knew it, and she was right. She was smart. They would have died if she wasn't smart. And she told Percy, "Go do this, go do this." She used to see her own reflection. So yeah. So those are the 3 traits I picked that I think she uses the best in it to get her to her success. Bye.